Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are well. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a round canvas boat with the help of cardboard and cotton cloths. It's very easy to make. You can see I'm using here a compass and a pencil and a scale to measure the cardboard and cut it out. After that I will paste it with the help of glue in the cloth with the cloth. Okay, so let's make it. After cutting the cloth properly, we will paste it with glue. Paste it well, otherwise it shows air bumps on it. Then cut the cloth like this, though you can get the proper shape of the round canvas. Again, I will paste it with glue. Let it dry for some time. After that, I will paste here a white art paper, though it gets its proper shape and more like a canvas. At last, we will paint it with white acrylic color for base color. You can use any color you want. I am using here 12 number flat brush. Let it dry. Now it's ready to use for painting as a canvas. I already made more like this. In this next video I will show how to paint on a canvas. Stay tuned with me. Thanks for watching.